everybody, welcome to my channel. It is me, Kiana, here today. Welcome back to the channel. It's Cray Cray. So today we're making some really cool slime today, and also Navia's joining.
Hi, I also have a channel called Navia's Wonderland. Please subscribe and support her and me too.
Yeah. So we're also at 200 subscribers. We have 195 subscribers right now.
Huh?
Yeah.
Me or you?
Me.
Oh yeah.
She has 34, so we need 100 for her. Okay, let's start. Alright, so do you have the stuff over here? Can I just dump it out?
Yeah. You can.
Okay. Oh
my gosh.
Alright guys, sorry about that. So they have soft clay. I thought this was snow, but actually it is cloud slime.
Yeah, I never felt cloud slime before, so yeah.
And we got blue bowl, mixing tool, spoon, glue, activator, container, and these are the lids. So this is a sea themed one. So basically, there's actually sea themed, so like ocean animals.
These are like charms, and these are all just like glitters, you know.
Yeah.
And we have food drop.
Pink, green, and blue.
Yeah.
Here's the decorations. Beep beep. And it's a lid for the, I think that's for the glue, isn't it?
No, it's for the activator.
Oh yeah, they both have like lids because
Wait,
this is for the glue. Oops.
Oh my.
We're gonna get everything settled and then we're gonna go ahead and start.
What is it?
So this is the box. So it's actually a Star Ocean Crunchy Slime Kit. It's all the ocean sea animals. And here are the instructions. So these instructions are basically for the how to follow it. Oh yeah, and BTW, if you guys are wondering for my my Pearl Alloy doll coming, she's actually coming. Okay, so she's actually coming. So yeah, she's actually just coming on. She's coming on Wednesday. So I just did this. She's coming on this Wednesday because it's coming from UK. So yeah. So yeah, I was waiting. So right now today is Friday. But BTW, if you're wondering, I don't have school today. So yeah.
Oh yeah, and if you guys see this K, which stands for kindergarten shirt, I am not in kindergarten. Okay. I just had this from my field trip. So, please do not accept these.
Wait, I'm just gonna move the camera. Is it pouring?
No.
Wait, let me.
Oh, these.
I swear to God, be careful.
Oh my God, what the heck?
Just pour a little bit, just in case.
Okay. Okay, guys, I was so scared. So we're just gonna activate it.
Yes.
How much I should put in? Kiana, tell me what to.
Just mix in. I don't know how many minutes for mix. Just mix until it kind of makes up.
Oh, it's starting to form.
Oh, okay.
Turn on the light. As you can see, it's starting to form.
Yes. Oh yeah, it's starting to form, Navia.
Yeah. Bro, I do not want to touch that. Okay.
Yeah, because it always gets dirty.
We need some more activator. Oh, too much.
Oh shoot.
It's
Oh
fine.
shit.
It's fine.
It's okay, don't worry. Okay, so she's gonna make one for me, so that means I have to make one for her.
Those are the containers.
Oh, the containers. All right. Well, I guess I just added like a bowl or something.
Yeah,
Well, I'm gonna make it in here. I am gonna make it in here, and after I can clean it off.
Can't. It's fine. You can.
I'm gonna borrow this bowl.
This is glue, right?
It doesn't smell good, but when you actually put the glue and slime together, it actually smells. Oh my God!
Yeah, that's your fault.
Guys, the activator cap got stuck in the glue. How are we gonna take it out? All right, here's the slime now. I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring. Oh my God!
The heck?
All of this glue fell and finally this came out. Oh my God! Let's just pour all the slime again.
Kiana, I hate myself so much.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, it's kind of a big mess over here. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put the food coloring in the slime. I'm just gonna do that right now.
Brother!
That looks so satisfying. Can I feel it?
Ew, did you hear that? It's so sticky.
Oh, that sounds like muscles cramp.
Nice. Oh yeah, it does.
Yacht.
Oh my god.
Look at that precious blue. Guys, the video was on the whole time. I thought I just literally paused the video. Alright, let me just put the food coloring.
Slime Kid, maybe a 10.
Yeah, this is the best. Except for the incident that happened.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna put this inside the bowl.
I just don't. Wait,
Oh, it's so pretty. See, it just like splattered all over. Guys, I think I need to make one more because it's kind of small, so I'm just gonna make another one. Just a little bit though.
Okay, I want to add some clay in mine.
Can I go? Alright, now I'm gonna mix inside. Huh? Okay guys, I'm mixing so far and the slime's trying to get mixed together. Oh, it's trying to really mix. And I always I don't know where this like stitch off mostly all the time like everybody else. It's kind of weird. Well, not weird, kind of crazy.
Oh, baby.
Alright guys, it's kind of sticky, so I think we need to add more activator to make it less denser.
Oh yeah. Oh my.
Navia, stop it! Why did you turn on the video?
Kiana, something's don't. Need to mix the white.
Alright guys, and I think it's kind of weird, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more glue, just a little bit of that.
Okay, it just made a bubble.
Should I like just mix it with the scissors? No. Oh my god, sorry guys, it's not showing. I'm so sorry guys.
Okay. So here's my slime. It turned into
Just to have
white.
to do it on the table.
It turned white.
Oh yeah, okay guys, I'm just gonna keep mixing this until it's nice and smooth. Alright guys, I've been mixing for a few seconds and actually I'm gonna put it together. Smash.
I want
Aka. Zero. Oh guys, do you guys know the Chinese trends like this?
Yeah, it's hard.
And that's all I know. Guys, look at the slime. Navi's jealous at me because of this color.
No, I'm not. Okay, just.
Oh, you're not?
No,
I thought you were super jealous.
Not.
Well, being jealous is actually pretty bad. So, guys, don't be jealous, okay? Being jealous is not good.
Look
the
at mine. I turned it into like a light blue. So
Decoration time, aka decor. Shh.
Oh my.
Don't talk. It's like ASMR.
Here it is. It's blue.
Oh no, the video was not.
So here's my slime.
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a nice color. I add some dye in it. Whoa.
She's saying food coloring, also known as food coloring.
Yeah, aka
food coloring.
Yeah, food coloring.
I put some bingsus in mine.
Oh,
what? She's putting this green stuff. It's kind of good to match. If you guys are wondering, this is not my slime. This is actually Navia's because she just like went over the path. So
yeah.
Because ever since when I buy Perla, she wants to buy something. Got a mini container, and this I'm just gonna actually kind of like put some bingsus and try to mix it inside.
So we can all share this one.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Wait, what?
It broke! Guys, could you see that little line over there?
It broke?
It broke a little bit. Well, whatever. Let's just keep mixing.
It's fine.
Mix it for a few minutes. Alright, guys. Been mixing for a few minutes. Let's see how the... Oh, guys, look when I mixed it. Look at all the bingsus. Wait, everybody, shh. Be quiet. Hear the ASMR.
Oh my god.
Well, that's not really an ASMR. Like,
yeah, but it's...
all the bingsus are coming out.
Yeah, it sounds nice. It's so nice.
That's hers?
Yeah.
So she added the green bingsus and the green toppings. This is what she added. She also used this for her slime. Oh yeah, and Perla might come on Wednesday. When she comes on, like, example, if she comes on Wednesday, I'm not going to do the video straightly on Wednesday. I might do it, like, after a few weeks or so.
Guys, here's mine.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
Yeah. Now,
which one should I put, guys? This one, or this one?
Oh, I'm going to use the pink one also.
Okay, I just use this because it's kind of blue. This is called a stingray, right?
Hey, yo, why is the clouds not doing like that?
What happened?
Brother.
Kind of like misty, like a precipitation kind of.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a stress ball.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm doing my slime. So I had a stingray, and this is kind of like the ocean with the cool glittery water.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do this ocean and with stingray inside. Next one. Bro,
Yeah, don't freak out.
all the activators spilled because of my old stupid clumsy hand.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry,
don't
guys.
freak out. It's just activator.
Technical difficulties, I guess.
My day and your day.
Yes, this is not my fault.
Yeah, so I think we should close it. But
Yeah, so there's actually supposed to be a guest in our house, but yeah, luckily the guest is not in our house to see this. Like, spilled.
wait, Kiana, that's rude.
No, that's not rude.
I'm telling.
No.
Just gonna.
Brother, ooh. Brother, ooh. What is that? Brother, ooh. Oh my god, there's so much yucky gunk in there. Can you guys see that?
I'm going for this.
The blue food coloring. Look how many are inside there now. Like, there's only like literally a little bit itty bitty. And all the others.
There's not an itty. Oh my.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put the
Ay,
glue
ay, ay.
inside. Ooh. That's actually kind of satisfying when the glue.
I like the sun
Here.
kit.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of activator as again. There we go. Now I'm just gonna close out the activator and make sure it does not spill again.
Okay, y'all. So here's mine. It's like a light kind of shade, but
In camera, it looks kind of dark, but
Yeah.
actually in general, it's actually real. I'll take a photo and send it to you and post it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it until it turns like a slime texture. Oh, it's actually already turning into.
Okay,
slime.
guys, I put some Bingsus in mine. I don't know if you can see it because I mixed it.
Yeah, just add a little bit more so the camera people can see, aka fans. Wait.
Oh my god, that is so.
No, they didn't hear. Just don't move anything. I'm sorry.
Wait, how much slime did we make?
I made one, and this is my second one. Okay, we're only gonna make
Yeah, this is my second.
hello, my neighbor. Oh, I just made a bubble earlier. I just
never
popped the bubble.
mind.
It kind of looks kind of blue because the activator when I poured it in, it was kind of blue, so it's kind of looking like a light blue.
Piano.
Can you guys see that, or it's just normal colors? What? Why are you saying what's doing my slime? Oh my god, I'm so cringe.
Carinja.
Huh, cringe.
Oh my god, this is a beautiful.
Oh, that is
shade.
so beautiful, guys. Why is my hair always out like this? It's so ugly.
No, it's nice, kind of.
I need to put I need to have fringes now.
Fringes
That means
on-
bangs.
Oh, well,
Navia has bangs,
yeah.
but I need because my hair I look ugly in my videos all the time. I look like a monkey.
It's the
All right, guys, we're gonna
slime.
add pink food color. Make sure it's smooth, not like you know what I mean. I'm gonna only one drop of pink. Then I'm gonna put it inside this container.
Cameron, that is so good.
See, it's already like. Now I'm gonna not mix it. Ooh, no, well, I'm not gonna mix it well. Not mixing well. I'm not mixing well. Oh my god, Peter! Guys, look, I made the container so clean.
Lover.
Contagiously smoothing this out. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh.
That was weird. Gosh,
Okay.
what the heck?
Oh, my spoon. Oh my god, my spoon is fell. Oh my god!
Brother.
Okay, finally, the spoon keeps falling over my hands. Now it's getting more
Oh
dirty.
my god, finally it's working.
Okay.
This
Gonna
is
check back in
actually-
5 minutes. Well, I actually think about that first.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of. This is actually called cloud powder slime. This is called cloud slime. We're gonna put some inside the slime, and I'll
Like
just try to mix
blood.
it.
Yeah, I love you so. Oh my god, why did I say that?
Why you love me so much? Oh my god.
That was. Hey, yo, Kiara, that was so cringe.
No.
Please. That was cringe.
Do you guys hear that sound? Cloud slime.
I'm going in with my hands now. I'm sorry, okay?
Be quiet. All right. I said no making noise. Well, I need to make cringe for you. All right, guys. So here's how the slime so far. It's actually pretty
Activator
good.
got on my head.
Yeah, same. I'm rating the slime kit also 10 out of 10.
I don't care.
Are you
Oh
seeing
my
the big
God.
guy? Oh, look at the cool slime from earlier. I left it for
Yeah,
about like
yeah,
10
I'll-
minutes. Now I'm going to mix this for a few seconds until it kind of makes a cool mixture.
Okay.
Suffering and contagiously mixing. All right, let's see how it turned. Oh my god, I made a ball! Guys, look, it looks like silver glitter ball. Doesn't really look like.
Cool.
Okay, now I'm gonna add.
Dry clay.
I'm gonna use the green to kind of make it. I used all of it. Basically, it's not mold. Guys, look, I add all this green stuff inside. Just gonna close it. All right, guys, I'm gonna add some more glue.
Whoa, I love this texture so much that
Yeah.
I would.
What did you say? Luckily, the camera was not on in that moment because she said a bad word.
No, I didn't.
I mean, sorry, not bad word. She didn't use a curse word. She just used something inappropriate. All right, guys. So, ooh, look at the activate. It's kind of dancing.
Yeah,
Look at this.
look.
What? Oh my God! It looks like milk.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, milk. Like drinking milk.
Yeah.
Not the other milk.
4 dots.
4 dots until you die.
Actually, no, 3 dots. Yeah.
3 dots until you die. Ooh, this sounds kind of satisfying, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of clay. So in here, I add a little bit of clay, cloud slime, and a little bit of glue and activator, and it kind of makes a cool texture.
Yeah, pinken to make like a light.
Looks like a milkshake.
Oh yeah, it does.
Name it milkshake.
Milkshake? No.
Oh. Everybody be quiet. Hear the ASMR.
The flower.
That was so funny. Oh! I have Bia's Blackpink is my Bia's. Here is my slime, and here is Nadia's. Alright guys, well this is all for my channel today. Please subscribe and like and turn on notifications so never miss any new videos like this one. Bye guys, and stay cray cray. Bye.
Bye.
Woo, slimies.
Slime.